Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I am selling plugins on CodeCanyon, and many of you guys have asked me what is this checkbox in your ThemeForest or your CodeCanyon dashboard. So you have a checkbox under the item licenses menu, 100% GPL license feature enabled. So this is a checkbox that will enable the GPL license on all items that you are selling. So if you are selling plugins, themes, if you check this checkbox, then GPL license will be applied to all your work. Otherwise, the split license will be applied to your work, to your themes, to your plugins, and I will explain the both of these licenses right now. So the GPL license allows the editing, the redistribution, reselling, and also giving away for free of your plugins and themes that you are selling on these marketplaces after the customer purchased it from you. So let's say you have a plugin on CodeCanyon, I am your customer, I purchase the plugin from you, and after purchase I can grab it and resell it on other marketplaces, for example, and also I can modify it and resell it also on CodeCanyon, for example, because they are not allowing duplicate items and I need to modify it so they will allow it and not recognize it as duplicate. So this is allowed if you have the GPL license checked here. So this means that you are allowing your customers full control over the code that they purchase. They can edit it, they can resell it, they can give it away for free, and they can do with it whatever they want. However, if you uncheck this checkbox, then the split license will be applied to your work that you are selling on these marketplaces from Envato. This means that the PHP code will be GPL and the rest of the content that you are selling, the JavaScript, the CSS, the images, will be proprietary license for Envato. This means that they are not allowed to be resold, to be given away for free, to be edited without your permission. So this is the main difference, and WordPress.org is trying to enforce 100% GPL to anything that is based on WordPress, and I pretty understand the reasons behind this, because WordPress is intended to be an open source platform which is 100% GPL, and yeah, the work that is based on WordPress, they are enforcing it or trying to enforcing it to be also 100% GPL. However, Envato had some misunderstandings with WordPress.org back in 2012, more years ago, and they managed to make this change. So they are not having GPL license enabled by default for new accounts. This means that if you are a new author that is selling content from CodeCanyon and on ThemeForest, you will not have the GPL license enabled by default for you, and instead you will have the split license. And this, in my opinion, is very good for businesses that are based on creating work and plugins and themes on WordPress, because if you are selling 100% GPL licenses only, then your business model is not commercially viable, in my opinion, because any customer can purchase your work and they can resell it without having any further issues or connections to you. So you work on something full time, let's say 8 hours per day, 7 days per week, and people come and they are reselling your work by purchasing a $10 license from you, which is not fair and not a commercial model that can sustain a business, let's say like this. And not having GPL licenses is in most cases appropriate for most businesses. Some businesses have their work based on 100% GPL licenses and they are allowing the reselling of their content, but their business model is different because they are creating lots and lots of content, and in this case GPL might work, but in other cases GPL will probably not work. And as I said, I am really grateful for Envato for allowing, not enabling the 100% GPL license, and also leaving it unchecked by default for new accounts, because as I said, this is not commercially viable in most cases, having GPL licenses enabled. If you want to get more info on licenses from CodeCanyon, from ThemeForest, I will link in this video's description the link where you can read more on this. And yeah, also don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I publish new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so I will push new videos on this channel, and hit also the bell notification to get notified each time I will upload a new video here. And yeah, this is all for now. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.